Garrett Lund with the LundTeam here at the backyard of an exclusive new listing here in Rolling Hills. This thing is unbelievable. We had the privilege of selling this property a few years back for the original owner, and I showed up here, I don't even recognize it. Everything has been retouched, redesigned, opened up floor plan. It is a magnificent ranch single level estate. Beautiful double driveway as you come up to the front of the house. The curb appeal is a 10 out of 10. And the backyard here is one of my favorite spots. You're overlooking this beautiful pool area. There's a full outdoor fireplace. There's even a full guest cabana. Inside, the kitchen is just gorgeous. The upgrades, there's wine rooms, there's so many upgrades. We don't want to tell you everything, just give you a little sneak peek. Want to give you an opportunity to come see this before it goes. Give us a call, 760-438-0800, or visit us at LundTeam.com. See you here. Bye-bye.